Okay. Hello and good day everyone. No. So today we will discuss naman about the central angle chord congruency theorem. Okay. So nung unang topic no, sinundan nito is about central angle and minor arcs. And before that topic, discuss naman natin yung minor arcs and then chord theorem. This time naman central angle and then chord congruency theorem. Together with their conversed, no. Now, central angle chord congruency theorem. In a circle or congruent circles, if two chords are congruent, then their corresponding central angles are congruent. No, sinasabi na kapag yung two chords doon sa circle na yon, no, are congruent, then yung mga central angle na form doon sa two chords na yon are also congruent. Okay? Example this one, no? If chord PB, ito yun, PB is congruent to GA, okay? The corresponding central angle of PB is angle BNP, and then the corresponding central angle of GA is ANG. Therefore, since PB is congruent to GA, it will follow that, mali lagay ko, that angle, measure of angle BNP is congruent to measure of angle ANG. Okay, yan, no? So, yan ang sa central chord congruency theory. Okay? And then for each converse naman, no? Converse of central angle chord congruency theorem, if two central angles are congruent, then their corresponding chords are congruent, no? So the same figure here, no? If measure of angle B and P is congruent to measure of angle A and G here, therefore, no, the corresponding chords of measure of angle B and P, which is BP, and then the corresponding chords of measure of angle A and G, which is AG, no, are congruent, no? So ito nagbaliktad, no? Ito dito naman papasok si BP, congruent to AG. Okay. So nabaliktad ko. Yan. Okay. So they are congruent. Okay, based on this theorem. Okay. Now, let us have an example, no? If BP is congruent to AG, if measure of angle B and P is 68 degrees, what is your measure of angle A and G? Okay? Kung yung B and P natin is 68, B and P 68, ano naman yung A and G natin? Now, since they are congruent, therefore, measure of angle BPN na yung mga corresponding central angles of these chords are congruent. Now, if your BNP 68, no, therefore, your measure of angle ANG is equal to 68 degrees. Okay? Next, number 2. Measure of angle BNP is congruent to measure of angle ANG. If BP is 12, what is AG? Again, measure of angle BNP is congruent to measure of angle ANG, no? Followed by BP is congruent to AG. Then they are equal, no? Then if your BP is 12, your AG is also 12. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple. Now, how about this one? No? If measure of angle B and P is congruent to measure of angle G and A, no? Ito yun ha. P and B and then G and A, no? If your segment AG, to AG is 23, your PB is 4x plus 3. What is your X? Again, since they are congruent, no? Yung mga central angles nila, and then yung corresponding chords sila are also congruent, no? If they are congruent, they are equal, no? Then now, substitute your PB to 4x plus 3, your AG to 23. Then transpose 3 to the other side so that we can find the value of X, no? Transpose 3 to the other side, we have 4x equal to 23 minus 3. 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. And then divide both sides by 4, cancel this out, your X is equal to x 20 divided by 4 is 5. So your x here is 5. Okay? So madali lang, no? Now, here, solve the following. In circle E, AB is congruent to DC. Ito yun, ang tinutukoy yung chord. AB congruent daw kay DC. Now, if measured angle CED is 122 degrees, what is your measured angle BEA? Okay? Since the chords are congruent, therefore the corresponding central angles are also congruent and equal. Okay? Now, yung CED natin is 122, therefore measured angle BEA is 122 degrees also. Okay? Number 2, in circle E, measured angle BEA is congruent to measured angle CED, no? If DC is 65 degrees, what is your AB? Okay, yung DC natin is 65, what is your AB? Again, madali lang naman, no? Measured angle BEA is congruent to measured angle CED. Then the corresponding chords are also congruent and equal, no? Your DC here is 65, therefore your AB is also 65 degrees. Okay? Next, in circle E, no? AB again, chord AB and DC are congruent. If measured angle CED is 109 degrees, yun, CED is 109 degrees, your measured angle BEA is Y minus 8 degrees. What is Y? Again, given, congruent sila, then yung corresponding central angles are also congruent and equal. Now, substitute your BEA to Y minus 8, and then yung CED natin to 109, no? Then solve for Y, remove natin mga degree signs, ito. Then transpose negative 8 to the other side. Then we have 108 plus 8, 109 plus 8 is equal to 117 for your Y. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Your quiz and assignment to be followed na. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.